next one is scoopers. It is permitted to cup food into specific shape, cut food in a specific shape or form. For example, a watermelon may be cut into cubes. Okay, so I mean, as we said before, designed like a flower or whatever they do, design from this vegetables not allowed, right? But cut the watermelon with cubes so you can eat it with fork. That is perfectly fine. To this end, one may use a scoop or similar utensil which create a particular shape. Right, the scoop to get ice cream or whatever. Some people use the scoop for other things. Okay, so we're finished with the chapter. Any questions on what you said? I think we're not going to start new chapter because I just checked it very well. So the next chapter is going to be activities that often lead to writing and erasing. So of course we're trying to stay away, but if you organize your Shabbos properly, you're never going to get into this situation. So you just you go, you pray, you sleep, you eat, you learn, and that's it. I mean, well, when exactly you have time to have even idea to play puzzle or stuff like that. So even kids, you try to engage them to learn with you, or you learn with them. Let them read. They like to read. Okay, let them read and say, ask them, could you explain this verse? And they would explain the way they know, and you add, and you have conversation, you have connection. That's same as with a wife or husband with a wife. So what they're going to talk about the neighbors, like about right. So, but if you have some holy subject in common, so you discuss them. Okay.